All right, so the video was messing up, so I had to do a separate one for this. So the last few questions I'm going to do on a separate video. So for number 12, 5 more than twice a certain number is equal to the difference of 11 and the number. All right, so once we don't know we have a certain number, we need to write our variable. So my variable is going to be x, and I'm going to say it represents the unknown number. Right, so you need to define your variable, so the unknown number. 5 more is 5 plus. Then twice a certain number. So that means 2x because I said x was the unknown number. And twice a number is equal to 2 times that. Is equal to the difference. That means it's subtraction. And I can cross out the word n and put minus. So it's 11 minus the number, which is minus x. Right? Then from here, I'm just going to solve. So add x, so 3x. Subtract 5 is equal to 6. Divide each side by 3, divide each side by 3, x is then equal to 2. So your final answer needs to be written, though, out as a sentence. So you can say the unknown number is 2. All right, at a theme park, Setha went on twice as many rides as Chenda, who went on 3 more rides than Dara. Together, they went on 25 rides. How many rides did Dara go on? All right, so I have Setha, I have Chenda, and I have Dara. All right, if you notice, Chenda depends on Dara because she's 3 more rides than Dara, and Setha is twice as many as Chenda. So that means Dara is our original unknown. So x represents how many rides or number of rides Dara went on. Also, it's asking us how many rides Dara went on. All right, Chenda went on 3 more rides than Dara. So if Dara went x, Chenda is x plus 3. And Setha went on twice as many rides as Chenda. So she is twice as many as x plus 3. Or we can distribute this 2 in, and we can say it's 2x plus 6. Right? When we're talking about the total number of rides, we can add all these up to get the total number of rides. So 2x plus 6 plus x plus 3 plus x. And the total number of rides they went on was 25. Right, now we can go ahead and combine all of our like terms. 2x plus x is 4x. 6 plus 3 is 9, so plus 9 is equal to 25. And now we just solve. Minus 9, so 4x is equal to 16. Divide by 4. X is then equal to 4. So that means Dara went on 4 rides. All right, next question here. We just have a linear equation now. So now we need to solve it. So I need to distribute the 3 in. So 2x plus 3x minus 12. Distribute the 4 in is equal to 4x minus 16 plus x plus 4. We're going to combine our like terms. So 5x minus 12. Combine our like terms of 5x. And negative 16 plus 4 gives me minus 12. Right? I'm going to move my variables to one side. So I'm going to subtract my 5x. They are going to cancel both sides out completely, and now I get minus 12 is equal to minus 12. Right? This is a true statement. So since it's true, that tells us that we have all real numbers. Right? If you just stopped here or just said true, you won't get full credit. It needs to be all real numbers. Right? And remember, if we got a false statement, so negative 12 is equal to negative 10, and that's false, then our answer is no solution. Right? That means no number can work for that equation. All right, so this problem here, you see we have this negative out front. So if you get a problem like this, rewrite it in our numerator as negative 3x minus 2 over 2x minus 1 is equal to 6. Then distribute this negative sign in, so it'll be negative 3x plus 2 over top of 2x minus 1 is equal to 6. All right, now it's understood that the 6 is over top of 1. So we can cross multiply. So 1 times negative 3x plus 2 is equal to 6 times 2x minus 1. We can then distribute this 1 in. It's just going to give us the exact same thing of negative 3x plus 2. We can distribute the 6 in, so it's 12x minus 6. And now we can go ahead. We can add over the 3x, add over the 3x. That gives me 15x. Add over the 6, add over the 6. That gives me 8. Divide each side by 15. So x is then equal to 8 over 15. Right? So if that minus sign is in front and it's the part where we have our variables, just go ahead and put it to our numerator and then distribute it in. Right? That is it for your review. That's it for this video. If you need any help, please message me.